Welcome back to Auto Assets. My name's Zach. Today I've got a 2016 Audi S3 Prestige package. This paint is a Misano Red Pearl. This is a one-owner car. It is in great shape. Brand new Continental tires. This vehicle was optioned with the powder-coated red brake calipers. Exterior imperfections is very minimal. Matter of fact, I don't have anything that I can really point out, except for maybe just a few up here on the front bumper. Take to the interior. It's a black leather. And part of the Prestige package is the Bang & Olufsen sound system. This vehicle also has lane change assist and adaptive cruise control with the stop and go. All right, folks, if you have any questions, give us a call, 614-793-1050. Thank you.